joins us in the fire. Hear the crowd singing loud and strong. Every nation brings its song, running forward with fearless pride, with our brothers by our side.
Every step writes history, every goal creates destiny. Feel the rhythm in your soul, the beautiful game makes us whole. The world is watching what we do.
One heart, one dream, forever true. The streets are dancing night and day. Different languages find one way. The passion rises like the sun. Millions together move as one. Every heartbeat tells a story. Every team is chasing glory. Hands up high across the land. Football brings us hand in hand. No mountain stands in our way.
We celebrate this special day.
The flags are waving
In the breeze, voices echo through the seas. Young and old are side by side, sharing moments filled with pride.
Every whistle starts the race. Every smile lights every face. Together stronger we become. United by the beating drum. The journey carries us along.
The worries bonds with one great song. Feel the fire, take us higher. Hear the crowd, tonight we sing it loud.
SIIRE,
We are running to the light,
SIIRE,
together we ignite.
SIIRE,
One world, one dream, one voice.
SIIRE.
Tonight we all rejoice.
Across the oceans we can hear the sound of hope becoming clear. The stars above begin to glow as football magic starts to grow. Every child can see the dream. Every nation joins the team. The future wait beyond the line. This is our moment now to shine. The world is ready for the call.
The game belongs to one and all.
Every stadium comes alive. Every dream begins to thrive. The rhythm flows from shore to shore, uniting people more and more. The heroes rise beneath the lights, giving everything inside. Every challenge makes us strong. Every setback moves us on. Together standing hand in hand.
One family across the land.
Hear the
Thunder of the crowd, their voices rising strong and proud. Every heartbeat finds a beat, dancing in the crowded street. The game is more than just a play, it brings the world together today. Different cultures, one embrace. Football connects the human race
the journey carries us away.
into a brighter world today.
The dreamers never stand alone. Every voice becomes our own. The spirit travels far and wide, with football as our guide.
Every nation brings its flame, adding beauty to the game. Every smile lights up the night, every soul is shining bright.
Together we create the sound.
That makes the whole world gather round.
The stars align above the field, where courage never wants to yield. The players write their names in gold, through stories waiting to be told. The crowd believes with all its might, turning darkness into light. Every moment feels so real, every passion we can feel.
The world is dancing side by side, united by this joyful ride.
The countdown reaches its final call. Now the dream belongs to all. The music echoes through the sky as hopes and dreams begin to fly. The rhythm flows from heart to heart, bringing distant worlds to start. A celebration without end, where every stranger is a friend.
The world is singing loud and free, a song of hope and unity.
Every road has led us here. Every challenge disappeared. The future shines before our eyes like a thousand bright sunrise. The energy
Is in the air, a feeling everyone can share. No matter where we come from now, together we have made a vow.
celebrate this special day.
And let the music lead the way.
The sound of football fills the night.
Guiding dreams toward the light,
Every player, every fan.
part of one amazing plan.
The world is moving as one beat, dancing through every street.
The joy is written on each face as we gather in one place.
Again unite the near and far.
Beneath the same eternal star.
Feel the rhythm, feel the fire.
Every dream is climbing higher,
Every voice becomes a wave.
crossing oceans singing on.
Long after